Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come couponing with me at Walgreens this week. There's quite a few great deals using only your phone. I also got this digital booster for spend $25, get $7 back in Walgreens cash, which is gonna be super easy to use. So I have a moneymaker deal that anyone can do this week. We're gonna be stacking the digital booster with sale prices. We're gonna be using digital coupons, earning rewards back, and submitting to Ibotta to earn some cash back as well. You know Ibotta is my favorite cashback app. Before we go inside too, I don't know if you guys know this, they have a daily cash drop right now. So it's a daily giveaway. You can get $5, $10, $15, or $20 as free money. No purchase required, which is absolutely amazing. So what I did in the search bar on Ibotta is I typed in cash drop. Then a rebate popped up for like a Coke product. So I activated the rebate. Then this popped up. So you're gonna click the link. You're gonna scroll through. Scroll all the way down to where it says AMOE. So it's like another, I don't know what it stands for. Anyway, alternate way of entering without purchasing anything. So you're gonna click on that. You have to watch the video. So the video is gonna pop up, watch the video. Then you're gonna click the two boxes, and then you're gonna do the I'm not a robot thing. So whatever it needs you to do for that, do that. Then you're gonna submit it. Once I submitted it, within like 30 seconds, back on your main Ibotta app screen, you're gonna click where you would for the cash back in the top right-hand corner. And I saw that I got $5 bonus today. So it literally took me, because I had to figure it out, like click all the steps, like I had to figure out how to do it myself. And it took me like 5 minutes and I got a $5 bonus. So I absolutely love that. If you're new to Ibotta, my code is QMEHSBF. When you submit your first receipt, you're gonna get a $5 bonus on top of the cash back that you're gonna get. That daily drop giveaway is available once every 24 hours. So make sure you set an alarm. I literally have an alarm on my phone every 24 hours. I think I submitted mine at like 9 a.m. So that way I can go ahead and do that process every single day at 9 a.m. because there's one grand prize winner that's gonna get $500. Like imagine how many Christmas gifts you can get for $500. Quite a few. So that's amazing. I wanted to share that with you guys before we head in store. Make sure if you guys are not subscribed yet, literally half of you guys watching this right now are not subscribed. Please take a second. Check if that red subscribe button is not clicked yet. I am at 95,000 subscribers. I am so freaking excited. I'm almost at 100,000 followers or subscribers, and I would absolutely love that. Please help me get there. That would be so huge, and just a big accomplishment that I've been working towards for like 7 years now. So that would be awesome. There's also a printable breakdown below for you guys. And if you're not part of my email list, my link will be below to join my email list. I am doing something huge, and I'll be announcing it on October 1st to my email list. So if you want to be the first to know, definitely join that. It's completely free, obviously, to join my email list. I share more deals and tips and tricks and strategies and things like that. Just more exclusive content for you guys. So let's pop inside Walgreens and take advantage of some easy moneymaker deals this week.
So we are going to put together our first moneymaker transaction using the digital booster. So a couple things I want to notate real quick before we start. There are two different things going on. So there's one promotion for buy three, get a $5 register reward, and they're either $4 or they're $3.50. The $5 products are just on sale. They are not included in the promotion like you see here in the weekly ad. And unfortunately, the $5 ones are the ones that work with the Ibotta rebate. So the smaller ones here that are included in the register reward deal are not going to work with the Ibotta rebate. So what I recommend doing is grabbing 3 of the small ones here at $3.50 each. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon as well in the Walgreens app that you can clip. You'll pay $5.50, earn back a $5 register reward. It makes it 50 cents for all 3, and my store has 3 left, so it's definitely my lucky day. The next deal we're going to do is on the expensive crest. So these are $9 each on sale. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. So I'm going to grab one of these stain removers here for $9. There's a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, so click that. Then we're going to grab one of the $9 versions here of the Crest gum. Then we're going to clip the $4 digital coupon also in the Walgreens app. Here's an option here. It's just kind of dented. And we're going to submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back each on these. Okay, update on this deal. I finally got service in Walgreens. There's actually a $5 digital coupon that I have and a $5 digital coupon on this one. So that's gonna save us $10. So total for these is $18. Minus $10, you're gonna pay $8, but you're earning back a $3 register reward. Then you're submitting to Ibotta for $2 cash back. Each gives you $4 cash back. Makes your final cost 50 cents a piece for the expensive crest. That's an amazing deal. So this can be your transaction if you have the digital booster for spend 25, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. Total for all of this is $28.50. So you're just about the $25 mark, you're good to go. You can actually use up to $3 in Walgreens cash. Now your new total would be $25.50. You're still above 25, so you're good to go. You'll get back that Walgreens cash. Then we have $15 worth of digital coupons. So you'll wind up paying $10, or I'm sorry, hold on. What's 25 minus 15? Why can't I do that math in my head today? Okay, you'll pay $10.50 out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back the $5 register reward for buying these, $3 register reward for buying these, plus $4 cash back from Ibotta and $7 in Walgreens cash for completing the digital spend booster. That makes your final net cost for everything free and a $5.50 moneymaker. Another easy deal you can do with Ibotta is on the soft soap refill, which I actually need some. So I'm gonna grab one of these on sale for $5.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, and on Ibotta, there's $2 cash back, but it does expire in 23 hours. So make sure you run on this deal if it's something you need. That would make your final cost just $1.99. Amazing deal for a huge refill. If you love Dove body wash, it's a great deal to stock up this week on Dove men or Dove women. They're $8 on sale. Buy two, get a $3 register reward. So grab two for $16. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. You'll pay $11, get back a $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $8 for 2 or $4 a piece. I was gonna grab this deal because I'm out of Dove men in my stockpile, but it does not fit into my budget. I only have like $4.23 left, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, so that is most important. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and pass on this deal. Maybe I can stock up next week. Another deal you can do if you need baby wipes is on the Huggies. These are 2 for $16. Plus we have this 3 off 2, which is a store coupon, so you can use it multiple times. That's gonna make your final cost $13. Then submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back each, gives you 50 cents back. Makes your final cost $12.50 for 2 multi-packs or $6.50 a piece. I'm sorry, $6.25 a piece.
Okay, we're back in from Walgreens. Should we take a vote? Let's take a poll. Who thinks everything went well? What? Crickets? I don't hear anyone. Okay, who thinks there were issues at checkout? What? Everyone? Crazy! Here's my hot take. Walgreens knows, obviously, that there's so many issues with their digital coupons and their registry machine, blah, 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 and they don't fix it because you wind up paying more money out of pocket. Then they give you Walgreens cash. And how do you use Walgreens cash? You got to go back into the store, shop more to use the Walgreens cash. So it just keeps people spending money at their store, right? Anyway, so let's go over the 2 transactions that I did, which wound up making me go a little over budget, which makes me so mad because I was trying so hard to stay within my budget. I only went over by a couple dollars, but that's okay. I tried my hardest. So my first transaction, I did the Crest deals. So when you're doing all the Crest deals together, and I had this issue at CVS this week as well, I can't get all the digital coupons to come off. So I had her scan the 3 $3.50 ones first, hoping the 5 off 3 would attach to that. Then hopefully the 5 and the 5 would attach to the more expensive ones. But the 5 and the 5 attached to the more expensive ones and nothing attached to the $3.50 ones. Like, I don't understand. I had one $3 register reward to use as well, which then also kept saying rejected. So she manually had to put that in for me. She's so sweet. Then I rolled $3 in Walgreens cash, like I mentioned, paid $12.50 out of pocket. It should have been $7.50 out of pocket. I did get back $7.25 in Walgreens cash. Then I submitted to Ibotta and got $4 cash back. Plus I did get my register rewards back. There's only one register in the photo counter at my store that the register rewards are actually printing. So we had to go check out there to make sure that they would print because, you know, more issues. So then what I did to try to like make up for part of my budget, I did the soft soap in its own transaction, which I was already planning on doing. But I used, so the $2 digital came off. I used $4 in Walgreens cash, so I only paid 41 cents out of pocket. Then I got $2 cash back from Ibotta. So this wound up being a little cash moneymaker just to kind of help get back towards my budget so I could try to be as close to hitting my budget as possible. So let's head home. We're gonna enter in all the information. We're finalizing our budget. This is the last coupon trip that I am doing for the September budget. I'm so excited. It is my biggest month of savings year to date. And I've been couponing 7 years, so this is huge. Let me show you how easy it is to use this digital budget spreadsheet. If you guys wanna download it, highly recommend it, or make your own if you wanna go through and kind of add in all the formulas and stuff. It literally took me hours and I had to pay my software guy to like finish some of the formulas because I just couldn't figure it out. If you want to download mine, you can use it for the rest of your life and just keep copying it. You're welcome to. It's linked below in the products, or you guys can just go to briecouponqueen.com/budget. You can get it downloaded there. There's also a video training just to kind of re-explain what goes in each category. It's super easy and self-explanatory once you start using it, but make sure that you are adding in this part of your routine, like to write in what you are spending in your budget to make sure you're tracking your spending. So let me show you how easy this one is to use. So we're back home. Let's enter everything into our spreadsheet and finalize it. So I always do one line per transaction. It just makes it easier for me. So we're gonna do Walgreens. This is going to be the sale price. So the total sale price of all the different products that we bought, total was $28.50. How much you paid out of pocket? I paid $12.50. How many rewards did you use? I used $3 in Walgreens cash. I didn't use any gift cards. Total cash back I got was $4, and total rewards I earned back was $15.25. So that was awesome. Then my second transaction, it was $5.99. Oh, no. Calm down. That's crazy. Okay. Out of pocket was 41 cents. I used $4 in rewards. Cash back was $2 from Ibotta, and rewards back was $0. So I made a little bit of money on this one, which helped me balance out this one. So let's finalize our budget. And when I say finalize, if you're using my budget spreadsheet, all you gotta do is scroll up and look at right here. So I went $4.18 over budget. My total percentage saved was over 84%. So when I tell you guys, using only your phone, you can 100% be able to save 75% or more. I mean it. Like, I show you guys this every single month. I try to be as transparent as possible with all my receipts and everything, just so you can feel confident in yourself that yes, you can do it too. I saved $825.12 this month and got almost $1,000 worth of products. That is insane to me. The amount of diapers and baby wipes and paper products and stuff, like expensive things, obviously $1,000, could you imagine, that we grabbed is so exciting. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, when I check my analytics, like half of you guys aren't subscribed. Please, it's free. Take a second, hit my face icon and subscribe. I would love to have you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.